Hi, I'm Jacqueline from Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre, and today I am super excited to let you know that we are launching our new online sewing club. So we've created a virtual sewing room. In response to the coronavirus, we would like to help you stay connected with each other and to continue developing your sewing skills. So how does our new online sewing club work? Well, basically it's a monthly membership where we will have video conferencing via Zoom, and you can join live on the call and talk to us. There'll be a sewing development segment with Maree, so she'll either be sewing on the machine or giving a sewing tip, tutorial, demonstration, perhaps a pattern review, etc. When you join us, you have the opportunity to put forward a sewing topic that you would like us to educate you on. And also on the call, you'll have the opportunity to share your sewing room, what it looks like, where you're from, and to connect with others in our sewing club. Not only that, you will be invited to our private Facebook group where in between the calls, you'll be able to post pictures of your sewing projects, what you're making, and ask any questions from each other. You can support each other during these times and also share different resources and so forth. So with our first month, we've got a special on for the first 10 people will get an extra invitation to have a private call with Maree, 30 minutes on Zoom. So she can help you plan your home sewing projects, answer your specific questions. And we're also having a weekly sewing video conferencing calls as well for our first month. So now is a great time to join us. All the details are on our website. You can join now and get started with the information. Everything there will be included, and how to get in contact and start sharing what you're doing and connecting with the others, and then getting ready for our first call. So we are super excited to bring this to you. We can't wait to see your happy, smiling faces on our video conferencing virtual sewing room. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you on the first call.